Hi everybody, welcome to Yagya VM. In today's class, we will discuss about the most important questions of July current affairs. So welcome everybody to the session and let's begin now. The first question is, which state government has launched the Operation Muskan to trace missing children? The answer is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh state government, along with some NGO, that is non-governmental organization, has launched this operation called as Operation Muskan. It is a week-long drive and it aims to trace the missing children, prevent child labor and hence bonded labor, and then rescue the children that are already engaged in domestic works. Hundreds of children are being rescued in this and are also being provided with shelters. Next question. Which Indian state is set to launch Roko Toko campaign for urging people to wear mask? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. Basically, amid COVID-19 crisis, some people are not wearing mask in the public places. However, it is mandatory for everybody to wear a mask. So here, a mask is given and a 20 rupees fine is taken. And this has been launched by which government? It is Madhya Pradesh government. Next question. Which country has made the Hong Kong Autonomy Act into law and ended the preferential treatment for Hong Kong? The answer is USA. So basically, USA President Donald Trump signed this Hong Kong Autonomy Act into a law. After this act, Hong Kong will be treated same as the mainland China by the USA. Next question is, which Indian state has set up a high-level committee to constitute new districts with Lok Sabha constituency as a base? The answer is Andhra Pradesh. Next question, Ashok Lavasa has been appointed as the new Vice President of which international financial institution? Asian Development Bank, PMC Bank, SCO यानी कि Shanghai Cooperation Organization Bank, IMF. The answer is Asian Development Bank. So basically, Ashok Lavasa was the election commissioner of our election commission and he was the next chief election commissioner also. I must tell you one thing, that Ashok Lavasa is one of the persons in the election commission who was supporting that there has been a violation of model code of conduct by the BJP government during its election campaign. So the Election Commissioner of India, Ashok Lavasa, has been appointed as the Vice President for Private Sector Operations and Public-Private Partnerships at Asian Development Bank. He will replace Diwakar Gupta and he is a retired IAS officer. He was the next Chief Election Commissioner also. The present Election Commissioner is Sunil Arora. Which payment application has launched India's first numberless card of the country? So this card will have no number. The answer is FAM card. So there is a FAM card application in which all the bank details will be there and the parents will be handling this application. Children will be given with a card which have no numbers, nothing. So the security features are maintained over here and there is no need to again and again give pocket money or give cash to the children for their day-to-day activities. The next question is, which union minister implements Going Online as Leaders, that is Goal project, along with Facebook India? The answer is Ministry of Tribal Affairs. So India has a lot of states with a majority of tribal population like Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh. In these states, Goal project will be implemented in which the tribal people will be taught education skills, agricultural skills, MSME activity skills for making them stand up and launching startup programs from there. And this is in partnership with Facebook. The next question, Chattogram Port, which was seen in news recently, is located in which country? The answer is Bangladesh. So here you can see the map. From India, we can directly connect to our northeast, that is Tripura, via Bangladesh. And two ports have been allowed for the activities here, that is Mongla Port and the Chattogram Port. Recently, a pioneer project has been started from here. So the shipment of 4 containers is a part of a trial run that will be from the port of Kolkata through Bangladesh via Chattogram port to the northeast states of India. So if we cover this entire long distance and go to northeast, it will be somewhat 1600 kilometers. But this entire distance is reduced by 1/3. That is, we have to cover only 500 approximately kilometers of land if we get this area through Bangladesh, if we get this route through Bangladesh. So which is the sport? It is Chattogram and it is of very strategic importance to India. Bangladeshi vessel MV Senjuti did this entire operation from Kolkata to Chattogram. Friends, my name is Yagyasani Patra. I teach on Unacademy Live. This is my referral code Yagya Live, YAGYALIVE. If you use my referral code, then you will get another 10% discount on your Unacademy Plus subscription. This is the Telegram link t.me/unacademyopsc. If you join this particular channel, you will get free study materials. Apart from that, you will get video updates about my next videos. For Civil Services 2021, Odisha Foundation course has been launched. So Nirman Foundation course, jaha ki 25th May start hai jaiche. In that, we are preparing students for Odisha Civil Services 2021. I am teaching Science, Tech and Current Affair in this particular course. So what are all my courses on Unacademy? First of all, Polity from M. Lakshmikant part 1 has been already completed. So you can watch the recordings, and my upcoming course Polity from M. Lakshmikant part 2 will just be started in June. So if you want to learn polity from me, you can join me on Unacademy. Then complete Science and Technology for OPSC and other government job examinations. Third, Current Affairs. So weekly current affairs also I am covering on Unacademy platform. This is my referral code YAGYA9, and alternatively you can also use my referral code Yagya Live, YAGYALIVE, for getting additional 10% discount. So आपण a referral code को भी use करी परिबे, and you can also use this referral code to get an additional 10% discount. These are my courses, so if you want to learn from me, you can join me on Unacademy Plus platform. So basically, what are the upcoming courses on Unacademy? First of all, there is a Garud course. In this Garud course for CPSC mains, that is the Police Services mains, grammar, that is Odia grammar, reasoning and general awareness are being taught by 3 great educators. Next up, Laksha OHC ASO course, in which for ASO aspirants, this particular course, it is a comprehensive course and it has started. The payment pattern is for 6 months it is 5,600, for 12 months it is 7,000 rupees, for 24 months it is 8,400 rupees. So as we know friends, when we prepare for this government job examination, we do not go for one government examination, we appear for many. Similarly, the preparation time is also not limited. We have to keep giving the examination. So according to me, the ideal plan is for 2 years or 1 year, in which not only one government examination like OPSC, but many government examination like OPSC, ASO, CPSC, Police SI, OMC, all kind of government examinations conducted by the government of Odisha will be given due importance, and individual courses will be launched for them. So you will get training not only for one exam but for many, okay, under this single platform of Unacademy. In this fee structure, you will get additional 10% if you use my referral code YAGYA9, YAGYA9, or if you use my referral code Yagya Live, YAGYALIVE, okay, to get additional 10% discount. Apart from that, there is no cost EMI option available for 6 months, 12 months and 24 months on your subscription. Finally, optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day and let's crack it.